Alright guys, got the board installed, and what I did is I've also checked, got a relay up underneath there as you can see, and have the cover off of the compressor. I checked the components and everything's working. Let's see if she fires on. I wish they would start designing the control board up higher. It's hard on your back and knees. Alright. She fired on, guys. Well, I hope this helps somebody. Just pull your board out, see if you've got some, see if you got a bad cold joint. Some of the components that you really can't find in the boards, unless you're really technically skilled, they're hard to decipher. But you can get a chart on them and go through and take your time. I mean, if you've got a backup refrigerator, or you're really in need, just go ahead and spend the money and get the board. If you can't go through the diagram and diagnose each little individual component. But yeah, guys, I hope this helps. And as you see, we got a backup refrigerator. This one here we use primarily for the ice maker. And got two big freezers. So yeah, guys, hope this helped. Even like out in the shop, I got a little refrigerator out there, and it's the way to go, guys. Keep things happy. It's out in Texas.